Have you ever wondered why we count like this? 1, 2, 3, up to 9, and then we jump to 10? That's because we use something called base 10 or decimal system. It's our everyday counting system. Base 10 has 10 digits, 0 to 9. When we run out of digits, we group and start again. Think of it like stacking blocks. Once you have 10 blocks, you bundle them into one stack and start a new pile. Imagine you are packing eggs. If your carton only holds 5 eggs, then every time you get to the 6th egg, you have to start a new carton. That's base 5. Different number bases just mean different ways to group and count things. Let's take a quick look at some common bases. We have base 2, called the binary. It only uses 0 and 1, and it is used by computers. Computers understand just 0 and 1, and that is on and off. We also have base 5. It uses digits 0 to 4. So after 4, you will write 1, 0, which means one group of 5 and 0 ones left. We have base 10, which is the one we used. We have base 8 called octal, and we also have base 16, hexadecimal. We also have base 12, which is used in time. Why do we use base 10? Simple. We have 10 fingers. So early humans probably counted that way. But your computer, it doesn't have 10 fingers. It uses base 2. So what are number bases? They are just different ways of counting using different group sizes. Now that you understand what number base is, get ready because in the next video, we will be converting from base 2 to base 10. That's it for today. If you learned something new, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and drop your answers or thoughts in the comments. Remember, math gets easier the more you see it and say it. See you in the next video.